Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to disconnect code blocks in Scratch environment. In previous video we have learned how to add and connect more than one code block to another in Scratch, and that's all good and great, and it will help you make very complex games, animations, stories. But sometimes you will also want to disconnect those blocks because you don't need them, you don't know how to use them, they are doing something wrong or stuff like that, and all you have to do is do opposite from previous lessons. So in previous lesson we have connected two blocks by dragging one on top of each other, and in this one we will drag one from another. The only difference is that you will have to pull the block which you want disconnected to the bottom, to below. So it's not two versions like in previous video, top to bottom, bottom to top. No, this time it's only from the second one, the lowest one, you pull it below. So let's see that in practice. In previous video we have added lots of stuff here, and maybe you will sometimes make things at the first try in Scratch, but mostly you will have to connect and disconnect lots of times and experiment and test until you get what you want and what you like and behavior which is what you need for your game. So sometimes you will want some of those deleted or disconnected. So when you want blocks disconnected, all you have to do is click on the block and drag it below until you get out of this gray area. So if I'm still in this gray area and release my button, it will go back. I will zoom a little bit more too so you can see it more clearly. Okay, so I want display sound meow disconnected. I don't need it. My game designer says, okay, we don't need two meow sounds, that's too much, so disconnect it. Okay, I'm pulling it and now I'm safe. As long as I'm in gray area it will snap back, but when I'm out of it, it's simple as that. That was one piece, one block. But maybe sometimes you will need more than one. It's the same principle, same thing again, just this time click on the one which is the highest one, and you need all below it deleted. So for example, if I need all below wait for 1 second, I will click on wait 1 second and drag it, and two of those will go. If I need, for example, this blue one, move 10 steps and all below it deleted, so click on it and all below will go with it. So it's always about seeing what you don't need below this block and then pull it. But sometimes again you will have to go back and forth. So for example, maybe I don't need here move 10 steps and wait here this one guy, move 10 steps and this one guy and this one guy, but I need play sound. Okay, so maybe it's easiest for me just to disconnect them all, disconnect them like here, disconnect them and then connect them like this. It depends what you need and how fast do you want it. Sometimes you will do this. Okay, I don't need move, wait, move, I need play. I will just disconnect them, go here and add play, if it's simpler as that. So it's all about what you need and testing the game, testing the code, and that's it. Again, to learn all of those features, all of those mechanics, you have to add some kind of blocks it doesn't matter what they do for this type of practice, and just try to connect them, disconnect them, connect them like this, move them, disconnect them, connect 1, 2, 3, 4, pick different colors to see those more easier and what they do, and then okay, I want this blue one and all below it disconnected, simple as that. Or I want them on the top, first I disconnect them, then I move them and connect them on the top. No, I want them again back, then I cannot click here, I have to disconnect them like this, then move them and connect them below, and that's it. Sometimes, yeah, I should have explained that in previous lesson maybe, but I will maybe make a new video. Some of those blocks will look tricky to you or confusing, but I will make a new video to explain different types of blocks maybe. Yeah, it's better that way. That's it for this video. Again, you have learned now how to add, how to remove blocks, how to connect, disconnect, delete, zoom in, zoom out. That's all basics, that's all basic behavior in Scratch, but it's crucial for you to work fast, work easy, and make whatever you want in Scratch. That's it for this video. See you in next one. Bye for now.